Welcome to Farmer Joe's Market in Oakland, California. We are cooking tonight with my friend Molly, making a vegan feast. I'm here in the tofu and vegan prepared product section, which is not what we're cooking tonight, but I just thought I'd start here. If you really miss meat, there's ways around that. You can have burgers, sausages, cold cuts, bacon. It just doesn't have actual animal product in it. It's so much better for you too. You, the animals, and the earth. Mushroom world. My favorite part of the store. Somehow okra in winter just seems totally wrong. But it is summer south of the equator. But we're not south of the equator, so we're not eating okra. You can get so many cool things at Farmer Joe's. These are cherimoyas. I have no idea what they are, but they're beautiful. That is a jackfruit. Look how big this thing is. It's only $1.19 a pound, but that thing is ginormous. It's great for shredding up like a meat substitute. I've never bought fresh. I've only bought it already prepared or actually in a can. But one day, that jackfruit will be mine. I'm not 100% sure everything we're making, but it definitely is going to involve spinach soup and some sort of grilled mushrooms. And I just bought carrots because who doesn't like carrots? Brr, it's cold in here. Vegan ice cream, yahoo! Can't wait. Not only should you read the labels, you should read the ingredients. I have no idea what grass-fed collagen is, and I'm not sure I want to know. We're ready to head home. I have never been able to park this close to this store before. And look at all this good stuff. I'm excited. One of my favorite things about Farmer Joe's, it's local, it's a community market, and it's proudly serving Oakland, and not necessarily in a ritzy-glitzy neighborhood. It's just a great. Another interesting thing I found at the store is this tea with matcha green tea and coconut pineapple. Actually, the one I wanted to try was the one with turmeric and ginger, but I dropped the last one and broke it, and they had to do a big aisle cleanup. So I settled for the matcha coconut pineapple. Looks interesting. So I'm trying this tea drink, and it's interesting. I kind of like it. It's very fruity. I can definitely taste the pineapple. I also taste a lot of coconut, which luckily I like coconut. I don't really taste the green tea so much, but it's supposed to be really healthy, so that's good, right? Kind of reminds me of eating that ambrosia salad Grandma used to make on special occasions that I didn't really love because she put weird things like marshmallows and Miracle Whip in it. But this is not bad. This I can get behind. I'm going to slice up the portobello mushrooms and put them to marinate. We're going to cook them on the electric grill. Quick tip, I'm just going to use this Tuscan Italian dressing from Trader Joe's that happens to be vegan as my marinade. I may doctor it up with a few things, but that will be the basic marinade. It's a good tip is using bottled salad dressings that you've checked the ingredients of to use as marinades. Our sliced portobello mushrooms are happily bathing in their salad dressing marinade. I did add some Bragg liquid aminos to the bath. It gives it a nice smoky umami goodness that if you miss eating meat with mushrooms and this, you'll never miss it. And then I saved the leftover stems and broken bits to chop up and add to the grain dish I'm also making. I'm working on the bulgur pulao. There's our cracked meat. Chopping up some vegetables to saute in there and some walnuts. I'm gonna use some veggie broth. Any recipes you have that call for chicken or beef broth, just use veggie broth. You can vegan anything. Pretty much. My friend Molly is real, not imaginary. She's fixing the vegetables that are gonna be roasted in the oven. Look at all that beautiful winter. Yes. Can't wait. The bulgur is cooking away with its celery, carrots, onions, nuts, mushrooms, yumminess. And now I'm starting the base for the spinach soup. And Molly is working on her beautiful vegetables. Look at those colors. Amazing. The vegetables are in the oven. They look so good. Thank you, Molly. The spinach is bubbling away. I'm making this one up as I go, so I don't know what the next step is. But we'll figure it out. We don't want to waste anything, so we're sauteing up the beet greens. And we saved the scraps. I'm gonna try making my own vegetable broth. There were some bits we didn't try to do that with, which maybe we could have, but it's gonna be delicious in any. We saved the fennel fronds to use as a garnish. We made pesto out of the carrot tops. We put in the food processor the carrot greens, some walnuts, garlic, lemon juice, olive oil, salt, and nutritional yeast to replace the Parmesan cheese. The spinach soup is bubbling away. I sauteed onions and mushrooms and then cooked them in veggie broth. Added this fresh spinach, let that cook down. Added a container of Wildwood Farms soy creamer, and then rolled it all up with the immersion blender, one of my favorite kitchen gadgets. That's me, Hell's Kitten. Hi! These are your chefs, Molly and Jen. And look, I'm Hell's Kitten. And Molly is Lisha.
Le chat noir.
Le chat noir.
Le chat noir.
And we are about to eat dinner. Yippee!
Woohoo.
Dinner is served. We have our yummy roasted vegetables, grilled mushrooms, bulgur pilau, carrot pesto, spinach soup. It is delicious. Bon appetit.
Bon appétit.
But wait, there's dessert. Molly made these beautiful cookies. And I did not make this beautiful ice cream, but it's gonna be awesome. We have salted caramel and chocolate. Creamy coconut. And vanilla. You don't starve when you're vegan, believe me.